chit chat. We finally moved in. We still have problem with the new house. We are dealing with that currently. It's a mess. Everything's a mess now. I've been getting probably 6 hours of sleep a day. See you on the road. I will be using my bike today to go out.
Iponyari.
Finally, you I hope
So-
you then next week already. Wala nang memory. Okay, open your mouth. Okay, balik ka.
Hi.
Something wrong with that. I will take your blood.
Move please. I will show them the menu. Today
Okay.
is I order shogayaki set. Yes. Rice, potato salad, and boiled blanch vegetables. The shogayaki, miso soup, some what's this na? The green one? This one? Sukemono. And then I have orange. And then he's having curry. Only that one he has. Hi, itadakimasu.
Baby, come to my heart, come to me. I want you, come to me. Oh, baby, come to me. I want you, come to me. I could be your love, baby. Let me see your heart. You could be my love, baby. Come to my heart, come to me. I want you, come to me. Oh, baby.
Now we're going to mall to get some items for the house. Konti complicated po dito.
And as you can see, I have a different backdrop already because it's in our new house. But I really can't show you the whole house now because magulo pa siya. Sobrang magulo and we have a lot of things to arrange yet. So, under that, anyway, we'll be doing a little unboxing or shopping haul. We went to Novo department. I'm using filter now because the face without the filter is a mess right now. So, ang dami commercial. Okay, this is the first paper bag. Aerosol insecticide. This one. It's for cockroach. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, for insects, different kinds of insects. Last night, I was bitten by ano nga ba yun? Centipede. If you can see two like bitten section here. Suddenly woke up because something is not right. It's really painful, and then it's like the pain is just going up of my shoulder, and my left arm is going numb. And then, syempre, I wake up the hubby after 10 minutes because I thought I was gonna die. I don't know kung ano yung kumagat sa akin. It's just that I thought at first it was a cockroach, but then I feel super like painful, sting, and then it feels like burning. So I thought it's not cockroach bite, and then suddenly I'm thinking it was a snake, but of course I don't know if there's a snake in here in your house, but certainly, hopefully we don't have it. And then suddenly I remember I saw a centipede around the house, but I'm not really quite that sure yet. And then when I was like looking around, centipede suddenly start running so fast out of my bed, and then that's the time I know I was bitten by centipede. So the first aid is I put like an ice pack, but it was wrong. The husband searched, and we found out that I should have put hot compress for the venom to be dissolved or something. Then so happy to get this. Ta-da! fashion comfort. Slippers. It's like a Yeezy type of slippers. So cute. We got it for 130 pesos only. This one is in tangerine and this one is mustard color. I got these two mags. This one is really cute, isn't it? Orange tangerine with some, I find it very artistic. Yeah, but husband doesn't like it. He prefers this design. Ooh, new coffee mask. Ta-da! Got these two clear mags. I'm planning to make some smoothies, or I can put morning breakfast yogurt or smoothies. Smoothies. Oatmeal. Yung mga ganun. These plates. So cute, diba? See, this is for hot. 35 pesos for the mug and 45 pesos all for the plate. So, yeah. So nice. So nice, so nice, so nice. Anyway, I'm so happy with this because I have new kitchenware to use. An Addy girl bought this. Oh, can you hear that? It's raining. Strong rain. Shovel. Pala pala pala. It's a mini version. 150 pesos only. I thought it would be like super expensive. But then because it's smaller, kaya mura lang siya. Mura nga lang ba? I don't know if mura, pero I feel like mura na siya kasi usually mahal naman ito, diba? Supposedly we need to buy a dining set because in our new house we don't have one, but we really cannot find a nice dining table within our budget, so we just decided not to purchase today, not to rush. But I really want to have a dining table already, but I don't know, maybe it's not really like sulit to buy those dining tables that we saw. And we don't shop every day talaga. Usually we go to the mall to buy grocery items like that, but we don't shop a lot. And yeah, basically we're just filming a video because we want to really have our memories filmed so we can look back and check it out. Check it out, girl! Long Bridge. Okay. So yeah, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I have, or the husband, me and the husband have new videos. Mataran!